Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
If your Outlook buttons or ribbon look gray and you cannot click them, your software is likely deactivated or stuck in a specific mode. The most common reason for a grayed out Outlook is an expired Microsoft 365 subscription. When your subscription ends, the app enters reduced functionality mode. You can view emails, but you cannot create or send them. To fix this, go to File, then Office Account, and check your activation status. If it says product deactivated, you must renew your plan or sign in with the correct account. Another simple fix involves the Work Offline setting. Navigate to the Send and Receive tab and look for the Work Offline button. If it is highlighted, click it to reconnect to the server. Sometimes, Outlook is simply busy running a background update or syncing a large mailbox. Give the program a few minutes to finish its tasks. If the issue persists, try opening Outlook in safe mode. Hold the Control key while clicking the Outlook icon to bypass faulty add-ins. You should also check if you are trying to edit a shared folder where you lack permission. If you do not have editing rights, the buttons will stay grayed out by design. Lastly, a corrupted installation might be the culprit. Open your computer's control panel, find Programs and Features, select Microsoft Office, and choose the Quick Repair option. This process fixes most underlying software bugs without deleting your data. These steps usually restore your ribbon and let you get back to work immediately. This ensures your email experience stays smooth and functional for all your professional needs.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.